And welcome back to another video, guys. And today we are replacing the garbage disposer because it's leaking water. So we're gonna be using one of the Whirlpool disposer, and we're gonna go step by step. And first of all, we're gonna start disconnecting the dishwasher drain line, which is this one right here. That one you can put it there, and you guys can see it. This dishwasher drain into the disposer. And then we're gonna be removing the drain from the disposer. This unit has 2 screws, and once you remove these 2 screws, this pipe should just come up, just like that. And next, we're gonna be using this little tool that it comes in the kit, and we're gonna be turning the ring, and the whole disposer is gonna come out. Just like that. We're gonna be installing this beautiful Whirlpool disposer. Now we're gonna proceed with the next step, which is gonna be removing the harness from the old one, because unfortunately the new one doesn't have one. So we're gonna be putting the connection from the old one into the new one, which is something really easy to do. We're just gonna be disconnecting this wire nut from the old one, and from there we're gonna be saving these ones because we're gonna be connecting into the new one. And now we are gonna open the new plate, which is gonna be exactly the same thing like the old one, and we're gonna be connecting this piece back. And this piece is what's gonna keep the harness stable and not be loose. And this unit is super easy to install, guys. You got to put the cables back in there, connect the 2 cables, the power lines, which is gonna be the black one and the white one. And once you guys do all this, we're gonna be putting that ground cable into the ground on the disposer. And the next step is really important, and it's gonna be this tubing where the dishwasher connects. We're gonna be knocking the seal that is inside, because we noticed that on the old one, the dishwasher connects in here. If you guys don't knock this little seal, then it's gonna be a problem, because the dishwasher then is not gonna be draining. So we gotta connect that drain line into the disposer. Now we are ready to connect the new one, and just like we removed the old one, we're gonna be using the same ring that is already on the sink, and we're just gonna slide it before we can put everything back the way it's supposed to be. We're gonna be using this little tool again, and now we're gonna put the seal. There's a new seal on the kit that we gotta use to connect the tubing and pipe drain line on the disposer. We're gonna tie the screws right here, put the dishwasher plug back in, tie everything, make sure there's no loose connection, connecting the disposer where it's supposed to go. Now we're gonna be checking, make sure we don't have any leaks around it. And just like that, guys, this repair is all done. Really easy to do. If you don't feel comfortable to do it, call your local technician around your area, or you can call us and we can definitely do it for you. And don't forget to like this video, guys, and subscribe for more. Goodbye.